Ted Cruz holds the Constitution when he walks through the halls of Congress. Let him show me the clause. Is the president's only president for 3 years. Our job is to go forward with the process.
Ted Cruz won't be able to show him that, but he would be able to show a July 2007 interview more than 17 months before George W. Bush's presidency was going to come to an end, where Chuck Schumer said this about Supreme Court nominations. Quote, "We should reverse the presumption of confirmation. The Supreme Court is dangerously out of balance. We cannot afford to see Justice Stevens replaced by another Roberts or Justice Ginsburg by another Alito. Given the track record of this president and the experience of obfuscation at the hearings, with respects to the Supreme Court at least, I will recommend to my colleagues that we should not confirm a Supreme Court nominee except in extraordinary circumstances." That was with 17 months to go. And Mike Barnicle, as I said, Republicans at the time were shocked that anybody would be so derelict in their duty as a United States Senator to do their constitutional duty to confirm a president's nominee to the court.
Well, you know, it's just one more example of the accelerated partisanship in the Senate and in Washington, D.C. in particular over the last 10 or 15 years. But I have to tell you, Joe, that I was more than mildly surprised that Mitch McConnell, within 15 minutes after the announcement of the passing of Justice Scalia, when he says the American people should have a voice in the selection of the next Supreme Court justice. I mean, the lack of respect for the presidency. Take President Obama out of it, because you can make the same argument against Schumer with regard to President Bush. But the lack of respect for the presidency involved in a statement like that. Barack Obama was elected twice by the people that Mitch McConnell invoked as ought to have a voice.
Yeah, you know, Sam.